Hi everyone, my name's Emma. I'm a mentor in the Supplemental Instruction Department, and I'm here to show you how to get to your online supplemental instruction sessions so we can continue helping you the best that we can. So there's two ways that you can access your sessions. The first way I'm going to show you is through UNG.edu. You're going to click on My UNG, and then you're going to search supplemental instruction. It's going to pull up a bunch of links about supplemental instruction. The third link is what's going to take you to our main page. Once you get to the main page, you're going to want to see the operations update, and there's a link that says services by course page. Once you click on that link, it's going to show you every single class that supplemental instruction offers for facilitation and sessions, and you're going to look for your course, and then you're going to click on the course. Inside, once the drop-down menu, you'll see every single facilitator that offers this course and facilitates for this specific faculty, and you'll see their session days and times, and then a link to join their session. Once you click on the link to join their session, you'll be taken to Blackboard Collaborate. It's important that you type your first and last name so that we're able to mark you attended for a joining session, and then you'll click Join Session. The next option to accessing your supplemental instruction sessions online is through UNG Connect. Now you can start at UNG.edu and click My UNG, and then you're going to want to click this UNG Connect button. You're going to have to log in, so you're going to have to do the Duo Push two-factor authentication. And once you're in, you're going to want to click on the little person icon at the top and search for supplemental instruction. It should pop up and you can click on it. And if you aren't a member of supplemental instruction, it might look a little different on your end. You'll be taken to the group page. And once you're in the group page and it looks like this, you're going to go over here to group links and click on events. This is where you'll see all of our events, and you can type and search your facilitator's name and their session should pop up. So let's say I'm going to the session next Tuesday. Click on the link and it's going to pull up a details section. You're going to want to copy this link and paste it in a new window, and you'll be taken to the session just like. So now I'm going to show you a little bit about the buttons and what everything means inside of session. So at the bottom, you'll see the share audio button, the share video button, and the raise hand function. It's important to share your audio when you're speaking, but if there's a lot of people in session, you're going to want to make sure that that's off so there's not a lot of feedback. The next option is sharing video, and this is important when you want to talk to your facilitator or talk to the students who are also in session, so you'll want to turn that on. And the raise hand option is nice because the facilitator will get a notification when you raise your hand. Now once you want to leave session and the session's over, click on this session menu button in the top left corner, and then at the bottom there should be a button that says leave session. You can do this, or you can submit a little survey, or you can just close out the tab. Thanks for watching this video.